I believe AI literacy is becoming one of the most important skills students can develop. Not because every student will work in technology, but because nearly every industry is being impacted by artificial intelligence. Healthcare is changing, business is changing, education is changing. What else? Government is changing. And obviously, the workforce is changing. And as educators, we're preparing our students for the workforce. So those same students sitting in your classrooms today will graduate into a world where AI is a part of everyday life. And that's why AI literacy matters. Students should understand what AI is and what it is not. They should understand its strengths and limitations. They should understand how to use it responsibly. And they should definitely understand how to think critically about the information it provides. This isn't about creating future programmers, it's about preparing informed citizens and future professionals. The schools that begin developing these skills, right, stacking them up, now will be helping students build that advantage that extends far, far beyond the classroom. The future isn't waiting for anyone because it's already here. And students deserve the opportunity to be prepared for it. That is our goal. I'm Dr. Kristofer Stubbs, and I help schools and educational leaders prepare for the future of learning and work.